let's subtract the two rational expressions. Before we can subtract, we need a common denominator. Common denominator. Because we want same size slices. So then, I have an x plus 2 factor, and I have an x minus 2 factor. If I had both of these factors in my denominator, then I would have two fractions with same size slices, also known as common denominators. So let's make that happen. If I take this 3 and I multiply it by x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, remember this is one whole, then I still have the same fraction, it's just expressed differently, it's just written differently. Because multiplying by 1, you still have the same as what you started with. Here I would take this 8 and multiply it by x minus 2. X minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is one whole. Now let's start multiplying. I'm going to write down my denominator. Because these are the same exact denominators, I'm just going to write one big giant fraction where I am subtracting the two pieces. The first piece will be a 3x minus 6. The second piece will be an 8x minus 16. Wait a minute, what happened? Look at what happened. We had an x plus 2, we needed an x minus 2. We had an x minus 2, we need an x plus 2. So I caught my mistake. Thank goodness, it could have been ugly. Then x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is 1. 8 times 2 would be positive 16. Now, when I'm subtracting, I really like to write my mini math problem off to the side so I don't make silly little sign errors. 3x minus 8x is a negative 5x. Negative 6 minus 16. Negative 6 minus 16. If students are going to make mistakes, it's going to be here. Please write this off to the side and you probably won't make those mistakes. I lost 6. I lost 16 more. I'm a big fat loser for negative 22. All over x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now, let me see if I can reduce. Is there a number that goes into 5 and 22 evenly? No, so I'm finished. No reducing. It's a great day to be a wolf at Ranch View High School.